So I'm at Dr. A CondoSuites. This is a dead-end street. There's a Sorry Sorry store right across the street. Over here, they also have a barbecue every night, like around 7, 8 o'clock. It's about 15-minute walk from SM, and about 10 minutes to Walking Street. It has a thumbprint to get in. Alright, so this is the bottom floor. Pool. And the pool is actually pretty deep. So he has Dr. A has rooms for ranging from 200 to 400 to 600. This building has 3 floors. Second floor. So as you can see, this place is very secure. Uses thumbprints on the main door and thumbprints this door actually uses a thumbprint as well, and you could put set a code. So as you can see, very secure room. You can open up the window here, and there's a nice breeze that will flow through the top right here. You have lots of storage. You have no problem putting all your stuff. This room is fully furnished. More storage. You have microwave, freezer, fridge, clock. Very secure, solid door. No one's gonna be kicking that door in. So your place, the room is pretty secure. There's no safe in the rooms right now, but he will be putting the safes in shortly. He's making plans for the safe, to put the safes in the room. Comes with lamp and the famous stripper pole. The famous exercise pole. More storage. And these cabinets comes with stuff to hang your clothes on. And you have updated AC unit. It runs cold. Here's the view. You guys want to see the view? You can actually see the mountain from here. So they also have a TV, a place to hang your clothes over here. This is a remote for the fans. There's two fans, one over here and one over here, and they're pretty powerful fans. They could oscillate. Pretty much, I didn't use the AC. All I used was the fans, and I was pretty cool the whole time. These furnishings are made by Dr. A and his carpenter team. So everything fully furnished. They have very good Wi-Fi. You have multiple connections. So if one connection is a little bit slow for that day, you could hop on another connection. So it's very good for work. Here's the bathroom. Very good water pressure. You have a window. Hot water heater. You have a bidet. And I'll show you the water pressure for this. Very powerful bidet. Powerful toilet flush. I have over here if you want to plug in your shaver. Cabinets below. This is the room when it's with all the lights off. So just a last look at the room. Dr. A does have another building near Perimeter Road. Which go for around, those are the cheaper rooms. They go for around 200 US. So you could check that one out. He also has Sophia Residences, which is about a 2-minute walking distance from here. And there's a Facebook group chat, so anything that you need, you can just ask in the group chat. And they are very responsive. the exercise pole. There's a disco. It has light switches. You could kind of choose what, how dim you want it to be. Comfortable mattress. I slept good on the mattress. Blinds. And this is about 10-minute walk from Walking Street. This is a pretty safe neighborhood. And we will make our way back downstairs. To the pool area. Nice pool, you can cool off. Here's how you get out. Press this button and you have to push.